Hey guys, welcome to LZH project. My name is Salman Francis, and in our fourth video of our Solaris edition, we will take a look at Solaris package management or image packaging system known as IPS. So the command syntax is very simple. The syntax is simple. You type the word package and give it the options such as pkg and then the options. So in order to list the packages, you use the command pkg-list, and to update the packages you use pkg update. So let me take you to this Solaris box. Okay, and you can see that in order to list the package we use pkg-list command, and it will list all the packages. Okay, and to update the package we use package update command. So I'm not going to update the packages, I have recently updated them. So anyway, let's go back to our slides. Okay, so in order to list a specific package, let's say a package is locally available on your system and you want to list the package, so we are going to use package list and the package name. In our example it's going to be T-Shark. Let me clear the screen. pkg list T-Shark, and you can see it's giving us full information about that the version is 1.12 and the package is part of Wireshark and it's present in the diagnostics group. Okay, then listing a specific package which is not available locally. So let's say this package which is not available locally, in our case it's going to be Tomcat. Let's take a look. So if I list this package Tomcat, and you can see it's saying that no package matching Tomcat installed. So this means there is another way to list the package which is not available locally, and it's very simple. It's pkg list -a Tomcat, and it's going to search for that package, and you can see that it's part of Java servlet and it's part of web group. Okay, and the version is 6.02 and it's available, but it's not available locally. So this is how you search for a package which is not locally installed. Okay, then to list the latest package without installing, let's say we want to check what is the latest package of a specific software is available. So we use the command pkg list -n option, okay, to check the newest package. So let's check, and it's not going to install that package. So pkg list -n, and from here you can see that T-Shark 1.12.7 is installed, and let's say what's available, the newest version. So you can see that the newest version is 2.04-5. Okay, back to our slides. Okay, -v is the verbose option, and it lists the fMRI and the type this package belongs to. It's very important. So first let's check what does it means. pkg list -v T-Shark. Okay, so you can see it's giving us this fMRI, and it's telling us that the package belongs to this publisher is Solaris, the group is diagnostics, and the package is part of Wireshark, and then this is the version, and this is fMRI also. So let's go to our slide and I'll explain you what does fMRI stands for. So fMRI stands for Fault Management Resource Identifier, and this is a scheme in which there's a publisher, the package name, and the version. So for example, we have seen that pkg list -v T-Shark gave us this fMRI where Solaris is the publisher, Wireshark is the software, or you can see the package, and 1.12 is the version. Okay, so if we want to list something with respect to the group, so let's say you want to see what packages does the group diagnostics hold. So we are going to run this command package list -a diagnostics. So let's go to our screen. So the command is pkg list -a and diagnostics /* close. And now it's going to list, I think I missed something. Not sticks. Okay, here. So it's showing me all the packages or the softwares available in this diagnostic group. Okay, let's say I want to search for a specific package. So I can always grep it with the grep command, and let's call it T-shark we are looking for, let's say. And here it is. So perfect. So this is how you can search for the individual package. Okay, back to our slide. Okay, for the web package, the same way you can do this for the web group. Let's call it web. And it's going to list everything in the web group. And let's say you want to search for Apache, and you can grab Apache. Here it is. Okay, perfect. Let's go back to our slide. So, okay, one very important command, that is pkginfo command, and it's give you the complete information about a specific package. So let me clear the screen, and pkginfo for T-shark will give you the name, where it belongs to, the category, it's applications, internet, the state is installed, okay, and the build release, the fMRI, everything, and the size, everything regarding this package. So this is a very handy command, so you must remember this. That's pkginfo command and the package name. Okay, so to update individual package, you are going to use package update and the package name, but you can always check the updates with pkglist-u command. So let's check. pkglist-u will give you the packages available for update, but you can see that they are in the I state. Okay, so O means obsolete, I is installed. Okay, O means obsolete packages. Okay. So we have seen that how we can update the individual packages. Okay, and to search for package, let's say we want to search for a specific package, let's say nmap, we are going to use the command pkg search nmap. So let's do that. Pkg search nmap, and it's going to search for this package, and here it is. So it's part of diagnostic group, and this is available. So in order to install this package, we can use pkg, let me clear the screen, pkg install nmap. This is how you install the package. And you can see it's installing. 4.9 megabytes is the size, and it's done. Working on the database, and soon it will be created, like installed. Okay, perfect. Now if we want to check if this package is available, we can use pkginfo nmap. And here it is. We can see that now it's installed. Okay. And what about this nmap if we try to run nmap. And it's working. Good. Now, in order to uninstall the package, we use the same command but with uninstall and the package name. Uninstall, not uninstall. Nmap. Yeah, bad spellings. Okay, so it's going to uninstall this package, and then we can check with the pkginfo command to check if it's installed or not. Okay, pkginfo nmap. And you can see that no packages matching the following pattern. So perfect. This is how we uninstalled the package. And that's it, guys. That's the basic of IPS or package management with Solaris. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook. You can always visit our Facebook page at Facebook/LinuxKing77. Go to our website at pings.com and join our Facebook group. It's facebook.com/group/LZH project. So thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video. Goodbye.